A crow, dark as coal, envied the swan for its pure white feathers. One day the crow had an idea: if I live like the swan, swimming all day and eating plants, my feathers will turn white too. So the crow left the forest and moved to the river. It bathed every day, but its feathers remained black. It ate only plants, but its body grew weaker and weaker. In the end, the crow collapsed from hunger. Don't chase illusions and forget who you truly are. Not everything is meant for everyone. The key to happiness is accepting yourself and thriving in your own way.